Halt, prize winners! Do not give him that cup. It's a trick. It's us from the future.
Oh, I'll be back.
Phew, that was close. Thanks, Future Us.
No problem. Now get to the Frosty Mart and redeem that prize.
And you're going to find a pack of expired hot dogs. Do not eat them. We are still digesting them.
Wow, Future Us are awesome.
Yeah, and I'm still gonna eat those hot dogs.
Okay, back to business. We gotta get to the Frosty Mart without these crazy people seeing.
Hey,